We are Melbourne Playback Theatre Company and we bring your stories to life through our playback theatre performances.
Storytelling has a really fantastic way of tapping into the emotional and relational aspect of working and leading that I don't think that you can learn in a classroom setting it another way. The playback method is a fantastic way for tapping into that.
The world is full of 7 billion plus people and we all have an individual, unique story.
Workshops are a really great way to get people involved together, and having playback involved just meant we could take a different step in the way that we handled the workshop. So we relaxed a little bit, tried some new things.
It was a good opportunity for me to focus on some things that I wouldn't normally think about. The body language that I express towards other people, the posture that I have, and the way that I would convey a message.
We are Melbourne Playback. Everyone has a story to tell.